This is not staying. See when they start doing that bullshit? I'm pretty sure if I had my mousse, that would like eat that lace right up. Cut it out. Mmm. Can y'all see? That's crazy. Hey guys, it's Kate. Of course, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a wig sent from Ft.Ashimaryhair. And I feel like it's another curly wig. I can't remember, but I feel like it is a curly wig. But this is the packaging. And so they gave me another one of these elastic headbands. It also came with a razor. It also came with a set of nails, even though I have snowflakes on it, but you know, and some lashes. It also came with a cape, no, a robe, and a baby hairbrush. Ooh. It also came with some more fake nails, y'all. These ones are really cute. I might use these. Alright, this wig is looking really long. It is 26 inches. My last wig was like 26 inches. The hairline is looking better than the last wig. So, this one, is it pre-cut lace? No, it's not pre-cut lace. Ooh, yes. Is this a... This is a 360. So it's lace all around, so you can pull this wig up if you wanted to. I feel like this is going to be a really nice wig. Already the knots are bleached. The hairline is pre-plucked. That's what the hairline looks like, and this is what the inside of the cap looks like. So it has two combs off to the side. It does not come with a comb in the middle, but we have a comb in the back. It's like these little things on the side. Now when I pull it, it comes together. So y'all see that? And then it has these little pieces, these little clear pieces on each side. So the more you pull them in, it scrunches the wig in the back. So we just going to try her on because I'm excited. Okay, so this is what the hairline looks like. Not bad at all. And it does fit good. Let me see, where them little tabs at? Oh, I like it. Like, what? I can feel like it's definitely getting tighter. I won't know for sure until I actually like cut off the lace. So let's do that. It fits really good. It is a little big around my ears. I would really like to use this spray. When I use this liquid bowl, my wigs be stuck, and I don't want it to stay. Maybe I'll use. So I'm just gonna go in with this gel because I feel like this one doesn't hold as good as this one. So we'll see. It's giving a lot of forehead. What is that noise? Sorry if y'all can hear that noise. This is not staying. And I don't want it to be all crusty. All right, I'm just gonna use this stuff. It's probably because I'm sweating. I don't like not having spray, y'all. I'm trying to think if I want to put the elastic band on here, just because I don't want it to be all, you know how you put the elastic band on and it just have all that sticky residue stuff on there. I feel like that's what it's gonna do. So I'm probably not gonna do it. We'll see. I might have to let it dry first. Like I don't have nothing in here. What in the world? But I do think that this is cute. I just feel like the lace could be blended in a little bit more. So I'm gonna work on that. And all right, so I added some finishing powder, and I don't really know what I want. I don't want to go too crazy with the baby hair, but I also want my lace to blend in better. Like that last wig, the lace was good. I think that was HD lace. This one is, it's giving transparent. I do believe this is like, come on. Oh, it's coming out, y'all. Yes. That's all I need. That's all I need. I'm gonna put the thing on. See when they start doing that bullshit? I don't like it. Alright, I want to see about these little adjustable, where they at? Alright, let me see. It's working, y'all. That's crazy. Ah! Because what? Because what? What it look like, yo? Like you can still see the little scrunchy things, but bitch, if I put some hair out right here. Look, it worked. And I would just pin them up. But girl, can y'all see? That's crazy. Now, I don't know how securities is. You know how sometimes they might slip down or I don't know. But I'm impressed. I like it. The only con I have is the lace. That's it. That's all. That's it. Like everything else. Why couldn't y'all put HD lace on this wig? It couldn't be that simple, could it? Tell me that hairline don't look good. I'm pretty sure if I had my mousse, that would like eat that lace right up. Stop right now. Cut it out. into a ponytail. But I think it's the back that's not gonna let me live. Should I just keep it like this? Is it cute? Let's see. Cause I love the hairline now. Mom. So I'm pleased, y'all. I'm pleased. It was this gel that I got from Temu, and then I had to like put the elastic band back in there a little bit. Just to see what it do. Hopefully it do something. I had a time with this wig, okay, but here are my results. I just did something simple. Eventually I probably will pull this up, but I didn't want to kind of do a half up, half down, because I just did it on the last curly wig that I showed you guys. But she is pretty. I love the curls, excuse me, I love the curls in this wig. They just look really natural and not like doing too much, like free curls. I don't know, so y'all can see the hairline. Yes, I had to get this hairline together because she was down bad a little bit. Yeah, this is it for this video. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave it in my comment section down below, and also links will be in my description box and details to this wig, just in case you want to purchase. So yeah, she is really cute and very lightweight because it's hot outside, y'all. So it is a nice density, but the curls are very much airy and it's not too hot. So yeah. Alright, y'all.